So I would like to demonstrate our website first before moving on to the code which we use to train our model. So starting the Flash server has started. I'm 18 years old, male, live in Australia, live in some state. No, I'm not self-employed. Yes, some, yes, 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 I'm aware. Yes. So the model has predicted yes, which means I need a mental health treatment. That's what the model has predicted based on the input which I have given through the survey form. So we can go back to the home page and take this survey again as much as we want. So now moving on to the code which we used for training the model. So initially we loaded the dataset into our code and did a small analysis of the dataset using the tail and head function of the pandas. The shape of the dataset is 1259 rows and 27 columns. With the help of pandas.info, we came to know that age is a numerical column, while rest all the columns are categorical. We dropped four columns, which are namely country, state, S, and comment, because they didn't have much significance in determining the output of the model. We also came across the information that self-employed and work interference had a few null values in them, which were resolved by replacing the null values in self-employed with no, and the null values in work interference with na. The gender column had a lot of categories in it, so we condensed all the categories into three simple categories: male, female, and non-binary. Then we used for encoding the categorical columns. We used ordinal encoder and not one hot encoding, because already there were a bunch of columns with us. One hot encoding would have increased the number of columns. I did a train test split with test size of 0.3. These were the models we used for comparison, and we selected the best of it. And the result was that the Adaboost classifier gave us the highest accuracy of 0.8864. So this model was finalized as our final model. We did hyperparameter tuning, the values of which the hyperparameters of n estimators we got as 11, and the learning rate we got it as 1.02. And after hyperparameter tuning, the Adaboost classifier gave an accuracy of 0.8869. Earlier it was giving 0.864, so accuracy increased. So this is the confusion matrix before hyperparameter tuning. Notice the 40% and 9% here. And after hyperparameter tuning, the percentage went up to 41%, and this percent went down to 8.5%. So definitely hyperparameter tuning helped. This is the ROC curve before hyperparameter tuning, and this is the ROC curve after hyperparameter tuning. So the data pre-processing part was done by Ananya, Anand. Then the model training part was given to Pritom, Talukdar, and the part of evaluation, or the final evaluation of the model was done by Aryaan. And me, Sharvin, I worked on the front end and back end of the project, and along with that, I helped in a little bit here and there in the model training, evaluation, as well as pre-processing. Thank you.